Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing Touchfive Markers. So let's open it. It's 168 counts of markers. So let's open it. Bakit walang pangalan? Oh. Touchfive. So here it is. Ano kaya to? Pale blue. It's a lot. Like literally, it's a lot. My god, I don't know how to use it. I need a tutorial. This gray, cool gray. Oh my god, cannot open it. So I will be swatching these markers on my next video. There are lots of color choices. Can you imagine 168? OMG. It's a lot. Pink. A fluorescent rose. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.